want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Good morning everybody. The time is currently 3:45 in the morning. We do have a reason for getting up this early though. Ooh. We are going on a sunrise mission, so we're going to try and catch the Durdle Door sunrise, and I hope it's going to be beautiful, and I hope getting up this early is going to be worth it. Good morning, Anna.
How are you doing?
Do you feel excited to catch sunrise?
Yes, I'm too tired now to
Laura, how do you feel? I even made Auntie a tea because she doesn't want to get up. You're glowing. You're glowing at this time in the morning, Lulu.
River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone.
And we have arrived at Durdle Door. Look at that already. This is so exciting.
Hey, I was hoping you.
Quick update. The sun is fast approaching and Laura's not walking fast enough. Come on, Laura. I'm off.
I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, gone, gone.
Welcome to Sunrise Durdle Door! Woo!
Gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry.
We just finished the sunrise. Well, it's still sunrising, but we're going to go down to Lulworth Cove. Aren't we, Laura? We're going to go down to Lulworth Cove, and there's this very, very steep path. So make sure you bring your walking boots.
It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. Hey, I heard you.
Welcome to Lulworth Cove. This is a very, very cute little town just beside Durdle Door, and they have all these cute, amazing little houses with little thatched roofs, and you can get tea and coffee, and it is definitely worth a look as well. It's about a 15-minute walk from Durdle Door itself, but the houses and the city is really beautiful. So we're here at Lulworth Cove. The time is still only 5:45 and we just watched the sunrise, and the water is so still, and this place is just absolutely beautiful. It's actually a UNESCO site, so it's actually protected, which is why it keeps all its natural beauty. We're just going to have some breakfast here. We're going to have a little cheese sandwich, and then we're just going to enjoy this beautiful view.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing.
So we just left Lulworth and we went and got some things to eat from a little cute kiosk there, and now we're starting to climb back up to go and see Durdle Door. the very hard part. Here they both come. 1 hour later. Almost there. Welcome to Durdle Door! We have just arrived and the beaches are beautiful. Look at that water, it's so clear. We're just going to walk down to the base of Durdle Door now and we're going to go down the big steep path and go for a swim, I think. It's pretty hot today, huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
This is your first look at the famous Durdle Door.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I...
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed us taking you around Lulworth, Cove and Durdle Door. They are absolute wonders of Dorset and I do recommend to come. Bring a picnic and
Don't forget to like that video if you enjoy that trip, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you next Monday.
Even if the sky is falling down.